Hi there, fellow sea glass lovers. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'm Jackie, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a small sea glass mosaic of sea glass birds sitting on fence posts made of wine corks. I thought this idea was so cute, and after working big for quite a while, I really had an urge to do something small. Now, this is not my original idea. I typically don't do ideas on my YouTube channel that aren't my original ideas. But when I saw this, I just thought, oh my heavens, that's way too cute. I have to give it a go. So I thought I would show you the steps that I figured out to get a piece of sea glass art made like this. And the other thing is, I was away this winter on a beach where there were all these fence posts that were out in the water, and I was watching the birds, and it just brought me right back there when I saw this. So I'm going to give it a go, and I'll show you the steps. One thing I will tell you that I used, the pictures that I show you will be self-explanatory. It'll show you all the steps to make this. But I've used these Craft Smart paint pens. The good thing about these pens is that they work on glass, because there were a few places where I found these worked really well. So there were 3 colors that I used. I used a black one to create the bird's feet and the little dot in their eye, and I used a white one to create the white of their eyes, and I used a yellow one to paint the back of a piece of a white sea glass to give it a yellow beak. I had the beaks in white and they were kind of falling flat, so I thought I'm going to give them a little bit of color. So I really hope you enjoy this video, and I hope it gives you an idea of something different to try with your sea glass. I don't know who to credit this idea to, because I've seen quite a few different versions on the Facebook. But if you know who originally did this idea of sea glass birds sitting on wine corks for a sweet little craft piece, please post it in the comments down below. So enjoy this one, and until next time, I hope you make it out to the beach, and happy sea glass hunting.